So how this project started was we had a valued existing customer that came to us. They came to us and said, can you automate this? And full transparency, we said, we aren't sure. So that is when we kicked off an R&D concepting phase of the project where we built out a proof of concept.
Going from CAD to real life is never realistic. When you get it out here and you are dealing with ribbon and you're trying to control ribbon with machinery, you really see the difficulty in something that you can't simulate until you get it out and built in the real world.
It's a pretty substantial size frame, so we have a lot of components and a lot of working things within inside of that, and it was really cool getting to marry all those together.
Many times there are fabricated components that we're not able to buy or have shipped to us quickly, so the ability to do small volume, quick turnaround fabrication and machining of parts is critical to be able to do a project as custom as this was in nature.
Basically what we have built here is a balloon weight winding system. So whenever you go to the store and you buy balloons, this is what keeps them from flying away, right?
The machine itself takes that injection molded plastic component, puts it into what we're calling the winding stations, where we insert a ribbon, shoot a little bit of glue, wind the ribbon around the balloon weight, do a little bit of tying, and then place a sticker, and that's your finished product.
This system has 9 winding tables with an overall output of about 800,000 parts a month being the target for this customer.
Rate was definitely a big challenge because you can do every piece of the process slowly, but getting it up to a certain speed that we needed to get, as well as it being reliable in that speed, was a big aspect of the project.
And the fact that it was very precise. We're talking about tuning the system in between 5 and 10 milliseconds. In some instances, made a difference in how well the process worked.
I think what this project specifically talks about with CRG is that we're willing and committed to showing the positive results and what we can accomplish.
Anytime you're doing a custom system that's never been built before, there are things that are going to arise that you can't predict and you're going to have to work through together. That type of collaboration where the customer knows their product and we know automation is always what delivers the best systems.